Hello everyone, welcome for this lecture. Today we are going to solve the numericals on time shifting and time scaling. Let's take this numerical, which is they have mentioned that this is a x of t. Okay, they have given a signal which is x of t, which starts from -1. Okay, this is signal, right, and then end with the 3 seconds time. They have given x of t. We are supposed to calculate. They have asked us to find y of t. Okay, this signal we have to get. So they have asked us to do the combination of x of t plus x of 2 minus t, and then entire thing has to be multiplied with u of 1 minus t. Let's see how we can do this. Okay, as we know, we have that is they have given it is x of t signal, so we need to find out x of 2 minus t. For that, x of 2 minus t, what you do is change this 2 minus t, that is 2 minus t equated to equal to 0, then minus t will be equal to minus 2. Okay, minus t is equal to minus 2. What you have to do is t equal to minus 2 you do. Okay, that is your scaling with respect to your time signal you have to do, and then minus t, that is a mirror image of that entire signal, we will take a later. Be careful about this. First, t is equal to minus 2, that is a scaling you do first with respect to timing, and then we'll reverse the signal. Okay, so for that, t has to be added. So t is equal to, we have said minus 2. Already this is a time, so it starts from minus 1. Okay, this is a time, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So for this time signal, what you have to do is you just add a minus 2 for each timing, means we supposed to shift it at that seconds. So minus 1 plus, here we have written minus 1 plus minus 2, 0 plus minus 2, 1 plus minus 2, 2 plus minus 2, 3 plus minus 2. Okay, once you have done it, so observe here, minus 1 minus 1, it will be minus 3, 0 minus 2 will be minus 2, 1 plus 1 minus 2 is minus 1, 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 minus 2 is plus 1. Okay, so the same signal has to be shifted here, no magnitude change. Okay, remember this. So now we'll shift this signal. So same thing is going to, just at minus 1 whatever the signal is there, no, it is going to shift to 3. That's it. Okay, till here it is 1 like this, and then like this. Okay, and then it comes like this, right? This is our shifted signal, but we don't want this signal, it has to be minus t. Okay, whatever you have taken is t equal to minus 2 we have done. Now we have to take minus t, right? So therefore, what you mean by minus t is a mirror image of that signal. Okay, let's take a mirror image of this signal. Let's see, this is what the signal we have got, which is shifted at minus 3. Right, this is not your x of 2 minus t signal. Okay, this is not your x of 2 minus t signal, it is just a t is equal to minus 2 signal. Now we have to shift it. To shift that, we have to take a mirror image of that. So same signal we have written here, let's take its a mirror image of. Okay, let's take its a mirror image. Once you turn, I'll show you once, is it visible for you or not, we just check. If not, then I'll draw it. Okay, this is your mirror image. Actually, I have turned it and I have taken a pic of that. This is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. You would have able to notice this. Okay, I have turned it and I have taken a pic of that. Okay, if you are able to observe, you can, else I'll draw this. Okay, yes, this is your x of means just a t is equal to minus 2 seconds which you have shifted. Now we need to take it as x of minus t signal, that is mirror image. Turn this to a mirror image. Once you have rotated it, it will be like, you know, this comes this side. Okay, please be careful about it. And then I'll draw the signal like this. Yes, it is from minus 1, then signal goes up, comes down, then okay, yes, this is your signal. This is at 0, 1, it is at 2, it is at 3. This is your x of 2 minus t signal. Okay, so now once you have got this signal, let's add x of t with this. Okay, so this signal is x of 2 minus t. What they have asked us is, we have to do, see, we have found out x of 2 minus t, and they have given x of t. We have to take both the addition, and then we first we'll do the addition. Afterwards, let's multiply this addition into u of 1 minus t. Okay, just we have got its mirror image, that is called x of 2 minus t. Yes, with this we have to add x of t signal. You can observe this is your x of t signal. Okay, so that we have take same thing we have taken here, which is x of t signal. We are adding x of 2 minus t with that. So let's add. Okay, once this is equal to, you are getting the signal. Let's see how we have got this. Manually, first by observing the signals. If once you start practicing, you will come to one stage that immediately you will say these two signals are going to get cancelled, because it is also starts from -1. This signal also starts from -1. Okay, this part I'm speaking. Okay, this is part you check from -1 to 0. Okay, from -1 to 0. What's the magnitude over here? It varies from 0 to, okay, sorry, minus side, 0 to -1. Okay, 0 to -1 magnitude downward. Same thing at this signal from -1 to 0, you have a same 0 to +1 magnitude. So with the same time duration, you have a magnitude of 0 to -1, and another one you have a magnitude of 0 to +1. So these two are going to get cancelled. Therefore you can cancel this signal and this signal. Okay, now you can come to 0 to 1. Okay, 0 to 1, between 0 to 1 seconds, what is your first signal? That is x of 2 minus t. What's the magnitude from 0 to 1? It is 2. Okay, it is 2. And then what about this signal, x of t signal? What is this x of t signal? That's value is 1. Okay, which gives you 3. Okay, and next, right? And then we can take from 1 to 2 seconds. And what 1 to 2 seconds, first signal magnitude is how much? It is 1. And what about second signal? Its magnitude is 2. So total 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, and the next is from 2 to 3. You just observe, be careful about it. 2 to 3. Okay, I'm speaking about 2 to 3, this signal, and 2 to 3 of this signal. Okay, 2 to 3, what is the magnitude? It is decreasing from 1 to 0. Magnitude I'm speaking, not a time. Okay, so 1 to 0, right? So then what about second signal? Second signal is what? It is also decreasing from 1 to 0, but it is -1 to 0. So +1 to 0, -1 to 0, these two get cancelled. Therefore your signal will be only at 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. That was magnitude with 3. So therefore your signal will be like this. This is equal to added signal. That is, this is not y of t. Okay, it is x of t plus x of 2 minus t signal. Okay, if you are not got like this, then what we can do is, you can follow the same rule. It is at -1 first signal and second signal value, and then what is a y of t. At -1, first signal value is 0, second signal value is also 0, so therefore it is 0. Okay, and then at I'll take, see, since it is a continuous, at 0 you may get confusion that whether it is a -1 or +2. Okay, so for that reason what you have to do is, since it is a continuous signal, don't go for at 0, at 1, at 2, if you are, whenever you are getting confused. Okay, so what you have to do is, at before you can take at a seconds, just before that 0, just after that 0, just before I'll take, which is minus point, okay, 0.00001. Okay, before, just before, right? It is minus 0.00001. At that time, what is the magnitude of this signal? Which is -1 approximately. Okay, approximately it is minus 1, means it is nothing but minus 0.99999. Okay, so then what about second signal? Second signal is plus, right? Just before this was plus 0.99999, or else I can take plus 1. What's the value of this? Both to get cancelled, which is equal to 0. Then just I'll take at plus 0.00001, means just after 0. Okay, just after 0. So at that time, what is the first signal value? What is the first signal value? Just after this, it will be nearly 2. That is 1.99999. Okay, I'll take approximately it is 2. Right? And then what about the second signal? You just check after 0, immediately after 0. It is approximately 1, means 0.99999. So I'll take 1. What is the value of this total addition? 2 plus 1 is 3. And then I'll take at, okay, if you are getting confused, I'll take just before 1. Okay, that is 0.99999. Just before 0.999. What is the first signal magnitude? Is 2. Just before 1 it was 2. Just before 1 its magnitude is 1. So it is 3. And then I'll take at 1.000001, means just after 1. So what is the magnitude of first signal? Which is 1. What about second signal? It is 2, which is equal to 3. Okay, then so like this if you have done so, and I'll take at just before 2. Okay, at 1.99999. okay, just before 2, then what is the magnitude? It is 1. Okay, and then what about here? Just before this it is minus 1. Okay, so just before 1 is also minus 1. Just sorry, wait, I'm sorry for this. Okay, just before 2 is plus 2. Okay, which is equal to 3. Now I'll take at 2.00001. okay, at 2, if you are getting again confused, I can take at 2.00001, just after, okay, a very fraction of second, 2.0000001. okay, at that time, once you have passed that 2, what is this first signal? What is this first signal? Its value is, I'll take 0.99999 is nothing but I'll take 1. This is first signal. What about the second signal? What about its second signal? It is approximately minus point, because it is downward, right? Minus 0.99999. So I'll take it as a minus 1. So this value will be 0. So at 2.001 it was 0. And then before 3 I'll take, okay, at 2.99999. okay, at 2.999 first signal was, okay, approximately 0, right? At 0.99, because at 3 you have got a 0, so it is approximately 0. And then what about 2.99 at a second side? It is also 0. So which is equal to, or if you say exact value, if you want, 2.99 value will be 0.0000001, because it is just before 0. Right, at 3 you are going to reach 0, so it is just before 0, means 0.0000001. Similarly at 3 it is also minus 0.0000001. Therefore these two will get cancelled. At 3 you get a 0. So these values, y value whatever you have got, that you have to represent. This, there are two methods I have explained. Either by saying this signal you can do it, else you can go for that traditional method. So which you follow, anyone will be correct for you. Okay, so this is your addition of x of t plus x of 2 minus t. Now we have to multiply with this u of 1 minus t. Okay, remember one thing, we need to get u of 1 minus t, right? So what we have to do is, u of t we know, that is the signal which starts from 0, and this is t, magnitude is 1. So this is the signal. 1 minus t is what? Minus t is equal to minus 1. Okay, first take only t, that is shift this signal to a means add t equal to minus 1 to all times. Okay, before 0 it was completely 0. So after this 1 2 3 4, okay, you can take it as 1 2 3 and so on, right? Let's change it. So just add minus 1 to this, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. 0 plus minus 1 is minus 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, 4 minus 1 is 3 and so on. So same, this signal is going to shift at this side, means like this with the same magnitude. Okay, now this is just shifted, t is equal to minus 1 signal. Now we have to take its mirror image. When you are taking its mirror image, remember what happens here is, let's take a mirror image, means is now u of t, u of minus t means this has to be go this side, right? It starts from 1. This is your u of 1 minus t signal. Okay, so now whatever you have got addition x of t plus x of 2 minus t has to be multiplied with u of 1 minus t. Okay, let's multiply that one with this. Okay, this is your added signal, and then now we have to multiply with u of 1 minus t signal. Just multiply these two. Okay, just observe this signal, and so the same signal I have taken downward direction, that means down here, so taki I can multiply in a single column. Okay, let's see, this is your added signal and this is your u of 1 minus t signal. Multiply, just observe the signal, this is your graph, okay, which is equal to, this is your graph. So after 1, okay, this is the first signal and this is the second signal. After 1 second, what is your second signal is 0. After 2, what is your first signal is also 0. So your after 2 it is 0, after 1 it is 0. Just remember, okay, after 2 in the resultant signal, after 2 nothing will be there, correct? Because it is 0 from this side and 0 from this side. Now observe from 1 to 2. Okay, observe from 1 to 2. What is 1 to 2? In the first signal it was 1 magnitude. Okay, in the first signal it was 1 magnitude. What about in the second signal, 1 to 2? 1 to 2 was 0 signal. Multiply any number with a 0 will be 0. Therefore between 1 to 2 is also you get a 0 signal. And now between 0 and 1, between 0 and 1, observe first signal, what is the magnitude, which is equal to 3 magnitude. And what about second signal, magnitude is 1. So therefore, so you get a signal between 0 to 1. What you get at 0 to between 0 and 1 second, that is first signal into second signal magnitude. First signal magnitude is 3 into second signal magnitude is 1. So therefore its magnitude will be 3. This is present only between 0 to 1. Okay, 3 seconds. Alright, next, after 0, first signal value is how much? 0. What about second signal magnitude is 1. Whatever it may be, continuous signal, but you are multiplying with a 0 signal, so you get a 0 signal here. Okay, so therefore your signal multiplication will be this one. Okay, this is the answer for your, this actually this one is your y of t. How we have got this, added two signals and multiply with u of 1 minus t. Okay, and then that is, this is your x of t signal and this one is your x of 2 minus t signal. Okay, I hope you have got this.